Hello everyone, I believe I'm live now. Okay, so this is a big warm welcome to the fourth edition of Pickle Yog Burji, and I have to wait. I get this. No, I'm trying to connect with 1 second. So while I'm sending out the invite to today's guests, and today is a very, very special one indeed, because very soon you will see why I am so hugely excited about today's live. 1 second, I'm sending. Okay. All right. So very soon, I hope Beyond Books Chennai is able to catch on to our live request right away. There's always that little bit of tricky thing that happens. Yeah, but today, why it is so exciting for me is because we also have the dad joining us. So you're going to have Lakshmi and we're going to have Vikram, both of them joining us today for this Pickle Yog Burji. Okay, hold on. Let me see if I have gotten through to them. I don't know. Am I the only one who feels like really awkward about this initial bit in a live session? I don't know, it's kind of weird. Because there you are, you've sent the invite and you don't get to know whether people are there, not there. And you're fiddling with the, okay, she's saying, they're saying they're unable to join. Okay, let me send out the request again. 1 second, please. Okay, I have sent another request. So for all those people who joined us already, Pickle Yog Burji is all about chatting up with parents on their picture book reading journey with their children. And this is the fourth one. And so far, oh yes, we have them.
Hi, Richa.
Hi, so lovely to see
Hi.
you. But it has to, yeah, excellent.
Now it's fine?
Perfect.
Yeah?
Hi, Vanya.
Hi, Richa. Vanya's feeling shy.
Perfect. This is lovely. All right.
So all three of us are in the frame. I think whenever...
You've thrown your father out of the frame, Vanya.
Yeah.
Okay,
So she wants to show you. Just before we start, Richa, Vanya wants to show you this Olaf.
Yeah, Olaf is there again.
Olaf. Yeah.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. 2 Olafs today. Lovely. All right.
Thank you so much for having us here, Richa. Thank you so much.
Thank
Good
you.
evening. For joining in.
Our pleasure.
And before you all joined, I was telling everyone how hugely excited about the today I am, because today this is the first time when a father is also online, going live with us, on Good.
Yeah.
So it's like a big moment for Pickle Yog Burji. Thank you, Vikram, for that.
Our pleasure.
Okay, so let me very quickly introduce the two of you. Both of them are designers, interior designers, architectural designers, and huge book lovers, and very dedicated, committed sort of homeschoolers to Vanya. Okay, so we'll get to know a lot more, of course, as we chat up now. So, I mean, it's straight away over to you all, but just let me ask by saying, were you both, in your growing up years, were you both hooked on to books?
I was reading books in school. It was more a compulsion. So we need to pick up a book every week and submit a review. So I was reading only in keeping that in mind. Then after that, I think I started to read Jeffrey Archer. And during the graduation, you have your Wuthering Heights and those Treasure Island and all those books, right? So it's basically more to do with, compulsory. It was compulsory in school to read. So that way I read them for college purpose. But when I started to work during that time, I think I read Chicken Soup for the Soul. I used to read all that. Then but somehow didn't find time to sit and really read. There's so many things running in your mind, your career. Before that, it was your education and then marriage and so many things. So I don't think mind was ever free to sit and read and enjoy a book. we do all that now with Vanya.
No, you're done.
And what about you, Vikram? Again, your reading journey as a child?
Yeah, I've been reading mostly comics and stuff like that early on, more to chapter books, and then I think because of the studies and career, and after that it kind of slowly tapered off, and now I'm again back to reading picture books thanks to Vanya.
And he's reading Amelia Bedelia.
Yeah. Sorry for
Yeah,
the.
yeah, okay, excellent. That's a current favorite, is it?
Yeah, in
Current
between.
favorite.
Yeah, current favorite. In between one.
Amelia Bedelia book 5.
Excellent, excellent. Have you read all of them?
Yeah.
Yeah.
Vanya is finished.
No. The last book we are pending, but the 11th book, there are 12 books. So 11th book we haven't finished yet. We're going to finish in a few days anyway.
Okay. Fine. So now tell me something about how you all decided to. I read somewhere, Lakshmi, that you started reading out to Vanya when she was like 3 months old.
3 months old.
Yeah. So what made you get into that in the first place? I mean,
No, we
was
did take a
influences?
we did take a conscious decision that one of us will always be with Vanya. That is, one of us won't work and the other person would work. So then the first 3 months, it is totally chaotic. You can't pick any book and read and all that. So it's always the diaper and the sleep, and diaper and sleep is the only thing you think of. So after which, I think when she was 2.5 or so, Vikram picked up 2 books. These, 365 bedtime stories and rhymes, the usual ones. He picked up this, and I used to read, or I used to, play the rhyme
Okay.
and read to, then see the, those, I used to read those lines in the book and play it in the background so that I sing along to get those
Okay.
words, basically, because there's so many rhymes which I didn't know myself. So I used to keep the book and keep, singing along with that. So that's how it all started. Then I think that time again, that age, everything the child puts it in their mouth, right? So they're not very careful with the books. So like when she pulls a book and it goes to her mouth, and I'm in all tension. What will happen to the book? She was chewing the book. So
Right.
that we were giving her the waterproof books.
Yeah, those
So,
bath books that come.
Yeah, the bath books. Yeah, so that one. So then I felt, the audio book would be a better choice.
Okay.
So that's when Curry Tales has audiobooks. So, but
Absolutely, yeah.
first preference was not the story. I picked up the rhymes, Curry rhymes.
Yes.
So
Yes.
picked up this. Yeah, it used to keep playing in the background at home all the time. And, it was easy to relate to, like, she learned My Name is Madhavi, the famous song of Curry Tales and all that. So it used to be playing in the background. Then when I wanted to, whenever I put her to sleep, I used Tulika's books, the books in the sense, the audiobook again in SoundCloud. So there was this, I remember.
Tulika has audiobooks as well. Okay.
Audiobooks in the sense, on SoundCloud, you have the authors and storytellers reading the story.
That's
So now they have a lot more in that. Earlier, when Vanya was about 15 months, I think, so that is when I approached them and asked them. So they gave me the link to SoundCloud. So in that app, there were 2 stories which used to be on repeat mode for Vanya whenever she was sleeping, before putting her to sleep. It was one was the Apu story by Zai Whitaker, and the other was Parties Beat by Jiva Raghunath. So whenever that, the minute she hears a Pooh story by Zai Whitaker, and she used to go on very slowly, and she'll go off to sleep, and even I used to go off to sleep. So that's how it was. So the SoundCloud book we used, the audio book, we used that. And then I think we started to take her for storytelling sessions, the book sessions. So she was much younger. She was only 2. So I used to take their permission, and they told us, if the child is not going to disturb the rest of the crowd, it's okay. You can bring her.
It's okay.
So that's how it's okay. So we went there. So the first session Vanya attended at 2 was this book launch, Maharani the Cow.
That's interesting. Okay.
Yeah. So you see so whenever we see a cow, we say Maharani cow is there on the road.
Yes, yes. It's
blocking
such a
the
special
traffic.
book. Yeah, it's such a wonderful book as it is. Yes.
Yeah. It's always the Maharani cow blocking the traffic.
These
Always.
are the bath books.
Oh, I love
Oh,
your
bath
bath
book.
books, Vanya. Excellent.
I love them.
Yeah, she still has that.
Yeah.
That survived.
And this is pegging.
Yeah.
You
So
still
that
feel
is
like
how
chewing
it.
on them, Vanya? No, she's
Yeah,
gone.
yeah. There was
Not
one
much.
book she damaged and we had to throw it. All the the inside the cushion, the stuff, everything came out.
It all
She
So that-
came
doesn't.
out, yes.
Yeah, it
She
was.
doesn't chew on them anymore.
Yeah.
Okay, but let me ask you one thing before we proceed.
Yeah.
Uh,
Yeah.
It's like at that time, what were the kind of influences that you had that made you sort of decide that okay, these were the audiobooks I would. Was it because you were in Chennai and therefore you had direct access to both Tulika and Karadi? That
Yes.
you were able to.
Yeah, yes.
Yeah.
We
So,
consider ourselves very lucky to be in Chennai because all the Indian publishers, 3 of them are here, right? Karadi is
Tara is
here,
also there.
Tulika is here,
Absolutely.
Tara is also here. Yeah.
Yeah, absolutely, yeah. No,
So
how
I
did
didn't
you
know
get to
about Karadi.
No, but no, what I'm trying to understand is how did you get to know
Yeah.
about them? Were you
See,
following them in a
Tulika,
certain
there was, Tulika, there was a connection before they started Tulika name. It was under Good Books, if I remember right. And they used to set up libraries in schools. So for one of a Rotary project, I had got in touch with them and with Radhika ma'am, and she put me on to her colleagues, and we went to a place in a school and we selected the place and how it would be, how you put up the bookshelf and what kind of books can go in there. So that introduction was there before Vanya was there in the picture. So much before that. Then I used to keep reading about all these book launches and everything, all the children's event and all that. So that back then had a lot of time to go through the newspaper from the first page to the last page. Now we don't have time. So that time we used to go through and a lot of these
which is
sessions
why I
used
was
to.
asking. See, because
Yeah.
this can also serve as a useful information for parents who are just about getting into it.
Yeah.
As to where to look for information, and also because those may not have been, at least Instagram and Facebook may not have been all that
Oh, no,
popular
no,
among
not
most
that.
parents.
No.
Well, Vanya was
No,
that
only
young.
Facebook was popular and they used to reply on Messenger. We used to send them a message on Messenger and ask them for curry tales. We used to find out from them and we used to find out from Tulika. I used to ask them for the, age level books, what kind of books, for this age group and all that. So that is when I think Tulika introduced us to the board books. So this was Vanya's one of the Vanya's favorite, Dosa Amma Dosa. So that was I think she was 2.5 or so. She used to read the story. I think that's what it was, image reading from the memory of me reading to her. She used to read. So that's how the connection was. So yeah, Vanya wants to show some more.
So many, you
Tulika
have
books.
quite a collection, Vanya. Good, okay.
It's a set. It's a set of 4 books, 4 board books.
4 languages.
Yeah. So that is how this whole thing started. Karadi Tales, I remember very well. They started long back. They started in 99 or 2000. They just celebrated 25 years, right?
Yeah.
So what they did, they had the audio cassettes before.
I know. Yeah.
I used to gift them, to my friends, kids and all that back then, long back. Now it has come even to the pen drive and the CDs they send now. So I did know there was something called audiobooks and, Tulika was there, as good books. I think when Vanya was born in 2015, by then, Tulika books was there. Yeah,
I mean,
Tulika was
Tulika
there.
has been there for a long. Tulika
Long
has
time.
such-
The name
Yeah,
changed.
90s,
Yeah.
mid-90s. I mean, see, in fact, they came slightly before Karadi for that matter.
Karadi, yeah.
Almost the same time.
But yes, it's.
I think the good books changed then 20 years back itself they changed to that name, I think.
Good
Or
Books, no,
it was
Good
a
Books
publishing
a
house.
different- I don't know. I'm not too sure about Good Books. Maybe I'll just find out. But that I think would have been a sister concern to Tulika.
Yeah.
Tulika has always been like in the main.
As Tulika.
Yeah. Okay, so that's a lovely thing. So
Yes, sir.
now you
Okay.
tell me.
Yeah.
In terms of, I mean, between you and Vikram, have you all divided some sort of a thing that okay, this is what I will read out to her, or this is what you will read out to her, or it just happens impromptu, whoever.
Earlier it was, it was just like whatever book was there, I used to pick up and read the whole day I spent with her, right? So I used to be reading to her the whole day or, reading poems and reading rhymes and all that. So we used to have our time the whole day. And whenever Vikram is back from work, he used to pick up any book and read. There was no set book as such, and you read this, you read that. But now during lockdown, yes, we did do that. Like what I did was, I think that was when Vanya started showing interest in chapter books.
Yeah.
So then the text is very small for me to read at night during bedtime without my glasses and all that. So I told him, you start reading to her, and he started reading, few chapters a day. I think in few months they completed the whole Famous Five series.
Wow.
So after that he read some picture books. Then there was this Happy Family series and all that. So whatever Vanya is, interested in, he used to read.
I like
Right
Happy
now
Family.
they're reading Amelia Bedelia. She told you they're reading Amelia Bedelia. One more book to go. I read all the picture books. I started because she's been asking me to read, so I started reading Naughtiest Girl for her, and I'm still in the first book.
Is this?
Yeah, this is the last Amelia Bedelia book.
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
So you will have Vanya peeping in all the time.
That's
Hope
fine.
you don't mind.
In fact, I welcome that. Yeah. Yeah. So, is there a difference in the way you all approach, both of you approach? Let's
Yes.
talk about the picture book, for instance. The same picture book, if you take up and if you take up, does she feel there's
Yeah.
a difference in the way you are doing
Definitely there is a difference, yeah. So when I read, I always point out the, phonic sounds, and this is how you pronounce, this letter is pronounced this way.
That's supposed to be delicious.
Yeah, like for delicious, so C stands for rich. So I keep telling that. So
She is
Vikram,
more.
yeah,
She
Vikram,
is more academically. The stress is more on academic part, the spellings, the pause, the
The
I
punctuation.
like science.
I do more dramatized, fun, entertainment
Excellent.
kind of a reading. So
so she prefers that, and she prefers my reading also.
in the
So
middle of something, if there is a reference, I suddenly show her a YouTube or a video or images of something associated with that
Yesterday's
particular.
s'more was a chocolate sandwich.
So two things come to my mind. One is the wonderful thing that you all did for Gigi and Daddy, both of you, the father and daughter sitting together and doing that.
Yeah, yeah.
That was
Yes.
so wonderful. Thank you for that. And the second thing that just came to my mind, Vikram, you said something, and I thought I'll ask you. What is the second thing you mentioned? Oh gosh, this is how it just sort of evaporates from my.
no, he said I'm more academically oriented. I
I
look
would,
for.
entertainment, I show her references like YouTube videos.
Yeah,
and
no. So let me come to the YouTube channel that Vanya has. Yeah, that's what I wanted to ask. So I know I was going through the YouTube link where she has all her book reviews in place.
Yeah. Yes.
Tell us a little more about how you all got into that, because that sort of shows that she's been into reading and appreciating books for a long time. Therefore, because
Yeah, for a long
books
time.
that she has. So
Yes.
Yeah, Vanya's YouTube manager will be able to.
Yeah, I'm the YouTube manager according to.
Right.
Yeah. So what happened was, I think there was the stage between 3 and 4 to be precise. That period, or 3 to 5, when Vanya was 3 years old to 5 years old. So that is when she started to, there were different stages. First, she was image reading. And I think she was reading, all of a sudden one day she read the Tangle Fairy book in the night before going to bed. She keeps so many books aside. When she was 3 years old, she used to select 3 books. And when she was 4, and it's 4. So it's like increasing like that. And one day I I used to be so sleepy. If I'm very sleepy, after 2 books, I would have, crashed. Then she will remember the next day, she'll say, yesterday you missed 1 book, and she used to add that also. So it used to be that way. And one day, I think before I could go to bed, she started reading Tangle Fairy. So, but the confusion was she just finished the phonic, all the sounds, and how can she read? So I wasn't very sure. Then that is when I realized she was image reading. So she was doing the Tangle Fairy image reading she did. So then I think I was also telling you last time about, I think before that, I think when she was 3, we had this LRSIA awards, the Young India Books Awards reviews. So there I wanted Vanya to participate. So that is when we did this, there was for her age group, she had to pick up a book on humor.
Okay.
So the book that was suggested we picked was Princess Easy Please.
Peasy. Okay, lovely.
Yeah. So it was very difficult for us to make her understand, the humor part of it. So I was reading so many times for her to really get there. And finally she said, I think this is the one, the Susu and Potty on the plane is what she liked. That is what she said she liked. So I said, I typed that, and the plane bursting with all those things. So all this, she could relate well to the books because there was this Taza milk in it. So we used to carry that when we travel. So Taza milk, she was able to relate. So that was one thing which happened. Then after which I think she got some gifts like Fly Little Fish book, Lavanya's Karthik's book.
Oh, I think Daya has also signed it for her. I was seeing somewhere, right?
Yeah. No, this book was signed by Ashwati, the illustrator.
Okay.
This was signed, yeah. But Daya's book is this. So Daya's book was Something is Moving. So this was gifted to Vanya on Children's Day. Daya gifted this to her.
Right.
So, and this, what happened was, as we were turning the pages, so Vanya was telling the story in her own words. Not this, whatever is here, but she was telling it in her own words. Of course, now I use it for, telling her the action words. So we always refer to that book. And I guess that time we were into doing book reviews. After the Young India books, we wanted to do more of book reviews. Like we just type verbatim whatever she says about the book. Right. So there is this website. I think other mothers, other parents will find it useful. It's called Our Story Shelf.
Okay.
That is a library in Bangalore. So wherein there is a separate section in the website for the reviews by kids. Okay. So you need to upload the picture of the book and you need to give the review. If they have some questions there, the kids can answer that and they just type it and send it to them. And once they approve it, it will be up on their website.
Let's have the name again, please.
Our Story Shelf. Our Story Shelf.
Our Story Shelf.
OUR. Our Story Shelf. Excellent. So I think about 8 reviews of Vanya is there. 8 book reviews Vanya has done for that website. It's there on that website even now. So, and one of the review of the Indian book, The Case of the Stolen Smell, Vanya's review was featured in one of the UK website called the Story Room website. Now it is not there. Okay. There was this book.
Beautiful.
Case of the Stolen Smell. So like that, I think she progressed, and later I used to mark words in the books and make her read. Because, I used to use the books. I didn't have those, I wasn't, introduced to those phonic readers which you get now. Right. So I wasn't aware of that. So I used to mark in this. I don't know whether you can see it. Like I marked the site was the and all that. So I used to mark as I read to her. So one day she started reading on her own. So again the doubt came whether it was image reading or she was reading, like blending the letters. Yeah. So then I think after which I was telling you about Tangle of Brungles.
Oh, this is such a fantastic book. Okay.
Yeah, and Vanya loves witches, taken after the father. So he likes witches. Yeah. So, these are the ones, and it was very difficult for me to read this book because I was looking for the pronunciation on Google for each and every word because I didn't want to go wrong. So I was like reading, I used to practice and read it to her, and she liked the book for some reason. I don't know why. Because at that young age, when you're 4 to 5, she can't really express why. But she was bringing that book every other day. And I think for one whole week, I read it so many times during the day. And one day she just read it by herself before I could.
Because I was reading somewhere about how she was using phrases from that book.
That book, yeah.
In your daily lives, huh? So please.
Yeah.
About that.
Yeah, I was angry with her and she said, Mama, you're wickedly vile. I was like, I was like, what is that? And then she told Vikram, I like your grotesque and dastardly style. So he was just going to work and this is what she told him. Because the Vanya, when she was 2 years old, I remember when we were going out for a function. So I was looking at Vikram and saying, always we look at the mirror, start taking selfies. So I was telling Vikram, you look dapper. And immediately from behind, like how she pops up, she said, Dada, you look diaper.
Yeah.
So she wanted that rhyming word, you know. She said, you look diaper. We just laughed at it. But now, after that book, she said, you know, I like your grotesque and dastardly style. So he was totally taken aback. And, you know, even now, even now, there are so many words she uses. Like, we start thinking, what does it mean? And then she explains to us what it means.
My role model is Dr. Elizabeth Blackwell.
Yeah, okay, that is her role model. So she keeps.
First woman doctor, and when I say that.
Yeah, so all this Vanya keeps, using those words from the books.
Excellent.
She loves to use them, but she uses it at the right situation.
Right. Exactly.
That is right context. Yeah, that is what is the best part about it.
Sometimes my brother Kushal, sometimes he says, he calls me by my doctor name.
Yeah, so sorry for such interruptions by Vanya. So
What
Vanya.
did you say? I missed it. I missed it.
Hello.
Washi, Dr. Georgina Washington.
Yeah, Vanya's.
DGW.
Yeah, Vanya's name keeps changing. So every day, either it is Elizabeth from the Naughtiest Girl, or she is Amelia Bedelia, or her favorite is Dr. Georgina Washington,
Elizabeth Blackwell.
or Elizabeth
What is she
Blackwell.
today? What are you, Vanya, today? What are you?
What are you today?
Today, what's your name?
or Elizabeth?
Dr.
Washi. Dr. Washi. The Washington is.
I am still watching every time, but my brother calls me that once he was very naughty and didn't answer on Saturday. I call him on Saturday. His name is Kushal. He lives in Telangana.
So her brother calls her
I plan
Washi.
to his name. Everybody calls him Telangana Jeans, but I want to write a song and a book about him.
Yeah, she wants to write a book about him, about her brother.
Hey, you must, Vanya.
Yeah.
That would be lovely. Okay, I'd love
Yeah,
to
he'll
do
be
that.
very happy.
So at what
Yes.
point did you decide to go in for homeschooling then? I mean, did this entire reading journey have a part to play in that decision?
I would say not really, because I wanted a mom and toddler program
Okay.
for Vanya. I wanted a mom and toddler program where I go and see how she learns and all that, because I was teaching anyway at home, the basics, the fruits or the vegetables or whatever for that age, appropriate for that age. So, but I didn't find any. And then I applied to a regular school. And as usual, you need to wait for so long to get admission. But I applied at the last minute and I didn't get admission. And she was 3 by then. So I said, okay, why not, start homeschooling her? And that's how we decided to homeschool. I would say when she was from 3 years to 5 years, I had lot of time to read lot more books, because at 5 her, the syllabus starts, the Cambridge curriculum starts at 5. So then you need to concentrate on that a bit. But otherwise, even now, the same reading happens. So that's not a problem. But it has helped her a lot in her academics, is what I would say.
Yeah.
It's helped her a lot.
So do you all intend, how long do you intend to homeschool? I mean, is there some plan that you have in your mind or not?
Yeah, we have a plan in mind. We intend to homeschool till the 12th grade. But we are allowed to, I think homeschoolers are termed as private candidates. So in India, and we are allowed to do either IGCSE or NIOS. So we chose IGCSE, we chose the Cambridge syllabus. So maybe around when she goes, reaches the 8th grade stage, we will approach
her.
her
Have to
school.
start introducing her to IGCSE.
Yeah, so that IGCSE time. So then we approach a school and tie up with them for exams and lab and all that. So that there's a lot of time for that. So as of now, it's fine.
I'm in 2nd grade.
Yeah, she's in 2nd grade.
I have to finish my unit book, that's all.
Yeah.
I'm still on unit 7.
Yes. So all those details you get from her.
I hate it.
So
Yeah.
you must tell me something about your library visits then.
Yeah, the library visit. See, what happened was I read in the paper about the public library that's opened in Chennai, but we didn't go visit it. So then we had a chance to go visit that, and we have a separate floor for the kids section.
Wow.
It's called the Anna Centenary Library. It is at par with international standards. So it's completely air conditioned, and you have lovely books over there. You have the Indian books
also.
also.
Is it a new library?
It's about 10 years
10
old.
years old.
But since the government has been run by Jayalalitha for 10 years, at least the last, it wasn't given that much importance because it was started by Karunanidhi. So now that DMK is back in power, the library is again being refurbished and renovated.
Yeah. So we are very excited because of that. They're back in power because we'll get more books to read. So
It's a beautiful library.
Very beautiful library.
Kids section had about 1.5 lakh books.
Wow. And in all
separate floor.
languages? Do they have it in all languages? Or,
they do have, yes, they have Tamil and other languages also. They have separate section for resource books also. So even you have the teachers coming there and, they come and take their notes and, you have those for the English teachers for their assessment and for what kind of exercises they can give their students. Books on that also was there. So teachers used to come there to take notes.
Okay, so I hope anybody from Chennai is listening in so that they can. Is it opened again? Has it reopened after lockdown, etc.?
It's been open. It's been open.
But we are avoiding because it's completely air conditioned. So in this COVID situation, air conditioned space is not advisable, and we go in and we will not come out for another 3 or 4 hours. So it's very difficult with the mask on and reading.
Current situation, it's a little dicey to go there.
to
But
go
I think
now?
once situation improves, I think we'll be going there almost every week.
Regularly we will be going there. So that is all.
Okay, so one question. We are almost like at the half an hour mark, so like just a few more minutes and we'll wind up. So now during lockdown, now that you've not been able to access the libraries in that sense, where have you all been sourcing the books from then? Because you've had a steady stream of books coming in throughout the pandemic lockdown.
Yes, we had books coming in. Yes, we have a lot of preload books vendors. Preload book vendors we have on Facebook and Insta. There are so many accounts, and it's all run by mothers, and they're very prompt in delivery and all that. So we used to get from them, and we also had we directly purchased from Carditail's website and Tulika website. Otherwise, whenever Carditail's used to have a session, the books display used to be there. So we used to buy the books from there. But during lockdown, we picked up directly from their website. We ordered and got it. And the same way, Tulika books also, we are ordering online. And then I think even the Pratham books also. All that we get directly from their pages.
Website itself. Okay, got it.
Website, yeah, directly.
Okay. So do you all, before buying, do you do a basic research sort of thing about the book? Like, are you following reviews somewhere, or what are you? How do you go about deciding?
Yeah. See, for that, what we did was initially, in the beginning, when we used to buy many books, we used to go for this yearly book chore sales. Before knowing these, women entrepreneurs, we used to buy there. So that time it was just a random pick. Then after, you start reading it, then you like some of the illustrations, and you like the typical Julia Donaldson books you like for the rhyming words, and, you like Quentin Blake, and there are so many other books which we like, either for the illustration or for the, the verses and all that. So that is when we started adding to the, collection. Like, she prefers in the series, I want these books and, all those books in the series and all that. So like Pickle Yolk also, we still have some more books we yet to buy. So it's like that, we have this thing like, Karadi, we need to have all the books, and Pickle Yolk, we need to have all the books. So that happens automatically once you start reading. So then we add to that collection that way. And yes, we do check the reviews online for books which we haven't heard of. It would look nice, the title would look interesting, and we would need to see the review. So I think the Good Books review was there on the Amazon. It's there.
Yeah, many of those reviews would be there.
Yeah.
So in terms of, because you have, because Vanya has an exposure to a huge array of books, both international and from Indian publishers and all that.
Yes.
Is there a difference in the way you all approach, say, a book coming from outside and the book which is homegrown? In the sort of things that you are picking up from, the visuals or the sounds of the narrative, an Indian book and an international book, picture book. I'm talking about a picture book especially.
Picture books, yeah. See, what the Indian books, mostly how she relates is after attending a session, a story session or an author session, then she relates to those books better. And when we go there, you have the display of the other books. So then she picks the books. So that's how it's been with the Indian books. And when you take the international books, as you say, the illustration or the, she sees at the back of the book, I want this and I want this and all that. So all those in the series. So that's how the international books go. But we have exposed her to both the international book and to the Indian books. Both.
Okay, all right.
Largely,
Sorry.
we have consciously restricted to picture books and now chapter. We have kind of withheld the comics because I read somewhere where comics kind of curtails the child's imagination completely. The child tends to think only on those lines. So I thought, okay, because
If I can say it on screen while Vanya is still there, don't believe in all those things. Okay. In fact, it's one of the most visually appealing sort of medium. So, and I'm sure you grew up on comics, Vikram.
yeah, I grew up on comics.
Right?
Yes.
So it's not. In fact, I was chatting on Purji, I think a month ago with Rohini from Bombay, and I think she's okay. She's just logged in. Okay, I see her right here. And she is a huge fan of comics and graphic novels. Okay, all through her growing up years and all. In fact, that is what got her into picture books for her child.
Okay.
Right? So there is no such thing as, they are just as lovely, just as they're full of wonderment, they're full of the same kind of excitement. It's okay. I think we should expose her to everything. And
No, I have a huge collection. It's just that
I definitely know what she likes more than something else. That
now she's started liking Asterix.
She will be able to express on her own very soon.
Yeah.
She likes Asterix now. She's started reading all my Asterix collection, and probably she'll then move on to her Tintin. So I have all the books are there. So it's just a matter of time.
Oh
She
boy,
starts,
once she gets used to that Asterix, you're going to have a tough time.
Yeah.
Because once she starts coining all those names, you're going to have a tough time.
She's already got me names.
Now it's my answer.
Yeah, there she is. Okay. What do you have in your hand?
She wants to tell you she has a graphic novel, Alice in Wonderland.
Okay.
She has a few. She
has a few. She wanted to. She has kept aside few books.
Okay,
Yeah.
Rohini just commenting. She's saying, I hope someday all textbooks could be converted to comics or graphic novels. You see, that's Rohini telling us. Yeah. Thanks so much for that.
Yeah, that'll be interesting actually.
So Vanya has kept aside some books for you.
Which one is this?
When I'm bookkeeping.
Bella gets her skates on.
Okay, all right.
Okay, so she wanted to show you a few books.
Okay, this looks familiar, Vanya. This looks very familiar.
Yeah.
Whose book is
No, this
this?
happens every day where she drags us around the house.
I also like, these are also my favorite books.
This is my favorite too. This is my favorite because Vanya doesn't share her things with others. So I keep reading this to her.
Okay. So now let me ask this. Is there any book that you sort of, as a parent, you sort of detested because you had to read it so many times that you could stand the sight of that book? Because it was
There is a book on Teddy, the Teddy book. Yeah, this Teddy series of books are there, but I love the illustrations. The problem is now she's made me kind of detest it because the overload of the reading the same book every night. She only picks up that book among all the thousands of books. She only wants that book to be read, reread. But I love the illustrations. The beautiful, very nice.
I missed the name.
Yeah,
What is
this is the one.
The Teddy series.
Teddy and the birthday party. Teddy to the rescue. Teddy and the birthday. Look at bear sticking his tongue out.
Sticking his
Yes,
tongue
because
out.
the
Just
bear is
for that
sticking the
scene.
tongue out.
I have read only one book in the series, which is Teddy on a safari. Okay, that's
Okay.
the only
Oh,
book in the
Teddy
series
on a
that I've
safari.
read.
We don't have that. Oh, we don't have that.
We don't have that.
Yeah,
earlier.
Teddy
don't
on
have-
the safari. Okay,
One
fine.
more. So, few, 4 more.
All
This is
right.
this is half chapter book, half picture book.
Okay.
Barbie.
Okay. Interesting.
She just wants to show you
Dear
quickly.
sisters, keep out.
Quickly,
Barbie.
quickly.
Okay, let me ask you one last question.
Okay.
Vanya, I need to ask you this question before we wind up because it's already like 40
Yes.
minutes. Okay.
Yeah.
If a friend walks into your house and wants to take home 5 of your books from your
5 of
collection,
them.
would you be willing to part with your books? She's not going to return them. Okay, it's not like she
No,
says.
no, return them, I believe.
No.
No. That's okay. You answer.
Okay, some-
Yeah, you answer it.
No, I don't. I have a few books I don't like, so I don't give up.
Okay, that's
She
a
will
smart
never,
answer.
Richa, she will never do that. She will never do that. I can tell you.
Fine. But if she wants your favorite books, will you give them to your friend or not? Your best friend? No? Not at all? Oh, fine. Okay.
I asked her only borrow for one day.
But ask her to borrow it for one day.
I have a flatmate called Soma.
Yeah, she also has given one of her books. She had an extra copy, so she's
Alright.
given it to another friend. Otherwise, she doesn't
Happy
give.
girl.
Otherwise, she doesn't give.
All right. Okay. Okay. Anything you all want to say?
Yeah, I
about
wanted
the
to
topic?
tell you. Look what we found. 1 minute. Vanya wants to show. 1 minute, Papa.
Yes.
Vanya, this is the book.
Robinson Crusoe.
And this one.
When Billy went to the wedding.
Okay?
Yes.
So this is what it was. So, it's a surprise for you. So look what we found.
Richaja.
I remember this
That
was in
was-
that magazine. Okay.
Yeah, Beyond
I was
Classrooms.
also in that.
So
I
even
was also
our
there.
story is in this. I just happened to notice it today.
Oh,
So this is our
because
film.
I have a copy of this. Let me go back to
You
this.
need to
How
see that. Yeah,
wonderful.
it is our trip to Gandikota. So
With the Dada's student.
yeah, we went there, and I think you should tell her, Vikram, how you did those graphics, the illustration.
Yeah, my dream is to illustrate and publish a book. So
Yeah, you
I
want to become
hopefully
an artist.
one fine day it will happen. So what I did is I took some photographs of our trip. I used some filters and I made a story out of it. That is what is there in the magazine.
Okay, let me read that because I have a copy of this magazine at home. Excellent.
Yeah.
Excellent.
Yeah.
I'll read that.
But
So it's a coincidence that both of us have been published in the same book.
Exactly. Now it makes it so much
Yeah.
more special. Okay, that's
yeah,
excellent.
but Richa, if you could allow me, if you have time, I would like to read what you said in this about reading.
Please.
Yeah,
What is
can
that?
I?
I don't
It
even
has a
remember.
photo of you.
Yeah, one sec. Richa says, I hope you make celebrating books and the joy of reading a constant in your lives. Let there be no day when you go without reading a few pages from a book you enjoy. The more you read, the more you will fall in love with books. The more books you try out, the more you will know what kind of books you like best and want to read more of. It's like being with so many of your classmates at school, but then connecting deeply with the few who become your best friends. In more ways than one, books are your best friend, and they will remain so far in life. In more ways than one, books are your best friends, and they will remain so for life. A person who loves to read can never be alone. Every book in this world holds a certain magic that only a book lover can unlock, but it takes time, patience, and regular reading to get to it. Read books that make you laugh, or make you think, or question, or wonder, or dream and imagine. Or you could read books that make you cry, anything you can connect with. Books have the power to take you places or worlds that you can't ordinarily imagine, so never give up reading. Pick up books from the library or go to bookshops when you go out to malls and markets with parents. Flip through the pages of books to see which ones you would like to read or buy. Gift one another books, and if you like a book, share it with your friends. The more you read, the more you're equipping yourself to make sense of the world around you and within yourself. The one constant in our lives that can never fail us is books. So do whatever it takes to make them a part of you.
Okay, I can't believe I wrote that.
We could totally relate to this, and we're very happy seeing this. I was telling Vikram I'm going to read this, ask Richa's permission, and I won't tell her beforehand, and
Thank
I'm going to
you.
read it.
This
It should
makes
be a
it so
surprise.
very special. A big hug going to you all over this.
Thank you so much.
Okay,
That
lovely.
totally, we could relate to every word you've written, Richa. So it's like,
Thank you.
that's how it
Okay,
is.
that's so. Okay, I'm a little teary also right now, so I have to now wind up. Okay. This is excellent. Lovely talking to both of you.
Yeah, really.
I must tell everyone that I did have a chat with them about 3-4 months ago, or maybe more. Was it more?
Yeah, more than a month back.
No, it was definitely more than a couple of months ago.
More than a month, yeah.
And I was sort of totally hooked on to how committed they are to getting Vanya to just enjoy books. And even that day, I could see how much she has sort of, the words have just gotten into her, because she's able to, she's imbibed the very spirit of how important words are. And it comes across in the way she communicates, it comes across in her confidence, it comes across in her energy, in her enthusiasm, everything. So, I mean, you are sort of that poster parent, poster girl she becomes for, everything to do with how parents can connect with books and get their children to connect with books. So
Yes.
I'm so glad.
Thank you so much. Thank you so much. You observed us so much.
It's a huge thing coming from you.
Yeah, it's really.
You made our day, and
You made that day. We don't have any words to
I know.
express. You said it all. Yeah, again, Vanya wants to show it. Your face is there. Yeah, your picture is here in this.
Okay, thank you. I'm feeling very special about it, Vanya. Thank you. Okay.
And one thing, Richa, I should tell before signing off. And the approach. Always, it's nice when an author is approachable, and that I learned from author Ken Spillman. So he used to tell that he wants to be reachable to all his readers across the world, wherever it is, because Vanya started to write fan letters to authors. So he gave her the address and he said, yes, you can write to me and all that. So that is what I found in your book as well. You've given your email ID, so that we can reach you, and you're very approachable. And that is something, which makes the reader connect with the author. She knows,
Okay,
it's Richard.
about me. Okay, this chat cannot be about me. It's all about you also. Okay.
Anyway, but I wanted to tell this to you.
Ken Spillman is a very, very dear friend of mine. Very dear friend of mine. And I really look up to him for a number of things. So I'm so glad his name came up today.
Yeah, so we met him. He had come to Chennai once, just before lockdown. He had come for his clumsy book. He had come to that launch. So then again we met him online. So I think that was for the Dave series.
Yes. And very soon, Pikioku is also publishing a book by Ken Spillman. So.
Oh, great! Okay, that's wonderful. Okay.
I won't tell you anything about it right now.
Yeah, you can tell. Yeah, looking forward to that.
Yeah, this time I think we need to get signed copies from you.
Yeah, signed
Last time
copies. We missed it last time. So we would like to get the signed copies from you.
Okay.
Thank you so much, Richa.
Thank you so much.
We can't thank you enough for having us here. The first time for us.
And as I said, I am so hugely excited because this is the first time a father has also joined us. So that makes it, this makes it really precious. This particular.
Yes.
I should thank you for that. My pleasure.
Okay, so I'll now.
I keep my watch in my backpack.
Yes. Now say bye to Auntie. Thank you so much.
Thank you so much.
Bye.
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 Then I'll be putting this up on IGTV in a while once it's got processed.
Yes.
And all that, okay?
Sure. Yeah, I'll look at it. Yes.
Bye.
Thank you.
Bye.
Have a great evening. Bye.
You too. Bye.
Bye.
Oh, which book are you reading today, by the way, tonight? Oh, oops, forgot.